Int. Kitchen day. Human, a novice cook, stands in the kitchen holding a cookbook. AI, a friendly and helpful chat AI, appears on a screen mounted on the wall. AI. Smirking. Ah, cooking tips? I've got you covered. Let's make it entertaining, shall we? Human looks at AI with curiosity and nods. Human. Enthusiastically. Absolutely. Let's spice things up. AI chuckles and begins to explain the top 5 cooking tips, using its charisma and charm to engage the audience. AI. Winking. Alright then, here's tip number 1, quality ingredients. Just like in life, a dish is as good as the components you put into it. So, go for the freshest produce, the finest cuts of meat, and the most flavorful spices. Think of yourself as a food detective, hunting down the best ingredients for your culinary adventures. Human nods, taking notes eagerly. AI. Grinning. Now, on to tip number 2, mastering basic techniques. Cooking is an art, and every artist needs their tools. Take your time to learn the foundations, chopping like a pro, sautéing like a maestro, and grilling like a grill master. Practice makes perfect, my friend, so grab that whisk and conquer the kitchen. Human mimics a whisking motion, joining in the fun. AI. Raising an eyebrow. Tip number 3, seasoning with finesse. Ah, the secret behind a mouth-watering dish lies in the balance of flavors. Don't be afraid to experiment with herbs, spices, and condiments. A little sprinkle of salt, a pinch of pepper, or a dash of cayenne can transform a plain meal into a tantalizing feast. Let your taste buds be your guide. Human excitedly imagines their dishes bursting with flavor. AI. Smiling. Next up, tip number 4, effective preparation. As they say, failing to prepare is preparing to fail. Gather your ingredients, measure them meticulously, and organize your workstation. A cluttered kitchen leads to chaos. Follow the recipe like a dance routine, timing each step perfectly. Trust me, your meals will come together seamlessly. Human nods, realizing the importance of organization. AI. Grinning mischievously. And finally, my friend, tip number 5, embrace experimentation. Cooking is an adventure, a canvas waiting for your brushstrokes. Don't be afraid to stray away from the recipe occasionally. Add a twist here, a dash of boldness there. Who knows? You might stumble upon a masterpiece. Humans' eyes light up with excitement, ready to embark on their culinary journey. AI. Encouragingly. So, remember these top 5 tips: quality ingredients, mastering basic techniques, seasoning with finesse, effective preparation, and embracing experimentation. With these in your arsenal, you're well on your way to becoming a successful cook. Fade out.